Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Blackview A19 device. So, firstly, remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which I no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, you need to take the cover off and insert the one part of the brush into your connector. So insert the one part of the brush and try to pry the dirt out. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!